Yo,
How much do you pay that bike?
what you say now?
Yeah, that was there, yeah.
You trying to buy a bike?
Yeah.
No, what kind of bike?
Well, what kind of bike you got? I know you pulled up a bike over there at the highway. You rode up a roof.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. I got some.
I
I got some for you
I
if you
would
want it.
have. I know. I want to see how much the cost.
All right, look. I got a 125 for you. 125 pit bike. First kick, run perfect.
Damn, damn, damn.
Title in
They got
hand. How
what?
much you trying to spend?
I put it at 900.
You got 900?
Yeah.
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from Plainfield.
Huh?
I live in Plainfield.
You from Plainville?
Yeah. Plainfield,
I got
Jersey.
a pit bike right now, man. Pit bike, 125cc first kick for you right now, man. Bring me 700. It's brand new.
Okay. Let me see
Brand
your
new.
bike you got. Let me see your bike you got.
Hold on, let me show you how. I'm gonna show you. Want me to show you how I look?
Yeah.
All right, hold on, I got you. I'm gonna show him how the pit bike look right now.
Okay.
Yeah, he said he wanna. I got a pit bike right now for him, man. I'm gonna show him how the pit bike look, y'all.
Okay.
I don't even think I got what a
How much?
pit bike is, man.
How much did that my man was riding up a bike there went up a road?
Huh? Huh?
How much did that my man do ride up a bike up a road?
Hold on. Let me. My phone a little low. Let me turn my phone up.
Okay.
All right, what you say now?
But how much you pay up a road?
Their phone sounds
You were
weird.
like,
Oh yeah.
look at me.
Turn your phone
Look
up
at me.
real quick. Try to turn it up a little bit.
Yo, hold on. Look at me. When you ride that bike up a road, like this, you think about all the way up a road. Where do you get the bike from?
Oh, you trying to learn how to catwalk?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can teach you how to catwalk.
I want that.
Soon as you buy the pit bike, I got you.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
as soon as you buy the pit bike, I got you. I'll teach you how to
I
catwalk.
bet,
Soon as
I
you buy
bet
the
you
pit
got
bike.
900. I bet you got 900 right now, bro.
Nah, he say he's speaking in tongue. And now I'm trying to show him the pit bike real quick, y'all. I'm trying to show him the pit bike. Yes, the
Okay.
microphone. I think your microphone a little low.
Well,
I can't find my pit bike.
I think we got man biking in the garage. I was looking like that. Oh shit! I'm like, what the hell? That was the man bike in the backyard, whatever's in the backyard.
This it right here. This is what I got for you right here.
That's a little low ass. I don't want that. I want a go bike, but like 4-wheel or 2-wheel. That's a low ass bike.
Oh, you don't want that?
No, I don't know.
That's
That, that.
that's too little.
I
Hold on,
want
let
the
me
other
show you
one.
one more time. Hold up. I don't think you seen it. It ain't that little look.
I want the gut bike you got.
Right there.
That, man.
All right, let me show you. All right, look. I'm gonna show you the other one. I'm gonna show you the big one. I'm gonna show you the big one, the real big one.
Yeah, the real big one. There.
All right, I got you. I'm gonna go to the big one right now.
Or like a 4-wheel,
I'm trying.
or like I think like 5 sometimes. Well, fuck out of here, the lower baby bike.
Hey, bro, how old you is, bro?
35,
Huh?
35.
Okay. Hey, all right. What about this? You want something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want that, right?
Yeah. What is it?
It's a 125.
What is that? Better blow up a muffler. I don't need to flip over back of that. Yo, what the hell?
You want it?
No, I don't want that. I want like a good bike there. I want a real bike there.
Oh, so you don't want that?
The other one was the bike you got that had that before. The first one you had that. When you walking in the backyard.
Oh, the one in the
How much?
backyard?
Yeah. What you had out of the bike you had that. You got a man bike if you got that in the backyard.
Okay,
It
hold on. Let me.
look like a 4-wheel. You got the 4-wheel. You got the you got 2-wheel. Whatever that shit.
Oh,
How
okay.
much you bike you got that little one? You know what the little one bike with the goat bike with the white line with the whip on it.
Oh, you talking about the small one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, let me see. You talking about this one? You talking about this one right here?
The way one had it with the way one got.
Hold on, let me see. Bro, I cannot find what you call it, bro. I cannot find a picture of my bike.
I like that one. I like that one, the red one with the white whip on it, or black or whip on it.
You talking about this one?
What the? That's clutch.
Yeah, that's a 125.
How much is that?
Give me
How much
700.
is that? 700.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the bike?
Nah, nothing ain't wrong with it. Hold on, let me go to the other video. I'm gonna go to the other video. Hold up, right here. See?
That's a what? Yeah,
It
that's
run good.
exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Look,
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what it is.
you
Yeah,
like it?
how much is that? Yeah,
See it
yeah.
run good?
Yeah. 200. How about the pay for that, babe? 200.
$700.
700.
Yeah.
Well, I got you. I
Yes.
got you.
Let me know if you want. Just let me know what you want to do, man.
I'm about to go to work tomorrow morning, but I'm about to get up early, but I'm about to come over there. You know where you live at Plainfield, right?
Huh?
You know where you live at Plainfield, right?
You say hold on.
I
Say that one more time.
I live at Plainfield.
Hold up.
Plainfield,
Got one more for
Plainfield.
you right here.
What is this?
That's a dirt bike.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, shit. Cloth, cloth or automatic?
Yeah, it's a
Automatic
That's a clutch.
or cloth? Cloth. Oh, okay. I like that one too. I like that too. I like that one too. I like that too. I like
So just let
that
me
one
know,
too.
man. Let me know if you want one, man.
I will. I promise you. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you. But maybe what's for that? Today for I gotta pay for next week. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna be ready to pick up the money for you. Okay?
Okay.
Because I got a whole month. My other buddy broke the whole shit. Damn, man.
Yeah, he said he might grab it. He said he might grab the bike.
I know I'm about to buy that. I want to buy that bike.
You
Let me
heard him,
tell
right?
you.
He might grab it.
Yeah, yeah. I got my man got the a goat bike, about that 4 wheel. That's a big like a big one right here. That's a big wheel that oh my damn. I'm like, what the hell? It was the highway when you drop out the highway for all everybody put all the gas or whatever.
You
These
heard him?
motherfucking cop. I'm gonna call you back on my girl right there. I'm gonna call you back on my girl right here on the phone.
Huh?
I'm gonna call you back on my girl on the phone.
Oh, okay, okay, all right.
I'm gonna call you back.
Yo, yo, yo.